Hello everyone, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back more towards the right side and roll the hair in on itself. Do the same, however, do this time on the left side. Divide the hair into two portions and then begin to make a braid out of it. Tie a rubber band to this braid once you're done with it on one side and then proceed to do the same on the other side as well. Crisscross these braids, lift it up, fold it over and pin it up in place using bobby pins. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now at the bottom, make two divisions out of the hair and tie two ponytails out of it. Add a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections, roll the hair in on itself, pull it through the top section, make a braid at the bottom and roll it upwards. Leave out a section of the hair in the front and tie a ponytail out of the rest of the hair at the back. Take a small section of the hair from the section you've left out in the front, twist it, and then afterwards pull out sections of the hair from it as such to add more volume to it. Now clip it up on one side and then do this for multiple sections out of the sections that you have left out in the front. Afterwards, wrap all of this around the ponytail at the back and then pin it up in place. Add a rubber band at the base of this. Use the decorative pin to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Next, start off by diagonally dividing the hair into two ponytails and then afterwards loosen sections of the hair at the scalp as you are doing so. Now begin to make a braid out of it and then starting from the left side, tie a rubber band at the base once you are done. Loosen the sides of this braid as you progress along with it. Now once you reach the bottom of it, join the two of them together, twist them one on top of the other as such and now roll it up into a bun. Pin it up in place underneath it and then add a decorative pin at the top. Diagonally divide the hair and then pull out sections of the hair from the scalp using your fingers as such. Now begin to make a braid out of the hair starting from the left side and then add a rubber band to it. Now moving on to the right side, begin to make a braid out of this section of the hair as well. Now pull out the sides using your fingers, join the two together and then before you do so, however, roll one side up and pin it up in place. Now roll the other side up and pin this up in place as well. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Take a section of the hair from the left side, twist it and then pull it through the top section. Now afterwards, begin to make a braid at the back as such and then roll it upwards, put it in place, pin it up using a bobby pin. Next, gather all of the hair together into a ponytail. Now begin to loosen sections of this ponytail using your fingers. Now go to the bottom portion of this, divide it into two parts, twist one section over the other as such. Loosen the sides of it using your fingers. Do this all throughout. Now as you continue to do this, add a rubber band to the bottom of it. Now roll it upwards, roll it up into a bun and then use a bobby pin to pin it up in place initially. Add a decorative pin on top of both of these two. Next, take a section of the hair from the top, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Divide the hair at the back into two portions, make a braid out of both of these portions. Now afterwards, take the braid at the top, pull it through the top sections. Do this for both of the sides. Next, gather all of the hair together, tie a ponytail out of it and on the last loop over, make it into a bun. Now separate the two, spread it out. Now make it vertical and then use this decorative clip on top of it to fasten it in its place. Take the rest of the hair and then wrap it around through the sides as such. Pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Using your fingers, loosen the sections at the top as such. Continue to do so all around. Now as you are doing so, this is what it should look like. This will add volume to the hair. Thank you for watching.